My name is Allison Soares, and I help individuals and businesses with tax problems. When a business goes through an EDD audit, it generally starts with a pre-audit questionnaire. You receive an inquiry of records notice, and attached to it is this pre-audit questionnaire. You will complete this documentation and send it back to the EDD. About a month later, depending on scheduling, you'll be contacted by the auditor to set up the appointment. The initial appointment will occur. Generally speaking, most EDD audits are resolved within 2 to 3 months. The EDD auditor reviews the documentation provided. At the end of it, you will receive a proposed assessment. The proposed assessment is provided to you. You have the ability to talk to the agent and potentially the manager if you disagree. Once the proposed assessment is done, the next document you received is the notice of assessment. The notice of assessment is extremely important because that has a 30-day deadline. If you don't file a petition to continue up the chain of command, you may lose the opportunity to stay away from collections. And the collections department wants to collect the money. You want to keep your case on the assessment side. When you file that petition, you will have to do it within 30 days of the notice of assessment. On the way to petitions, there's an opportunity to stop off in settlement. Settlement is a department in the EDD. You have to submit a settlement letter and lay out your arguments of why you believe that the notice of assessment was incorrect. Once you go through settlement, you have the opportunity to work with an agent. In the event that you disagree with settlement, you also have the ability to continue up the chain of command in your appeal.